We have something here called the RoWrite 2 Smart Writing Notebook by Royole or Royole or Royal. We don't know. I don't know because this literally just landed in our Japan office this morning. I've never studied up on this. I don't know what this is about. So come along on this journey as I stumble through this unboxing. Simultaneously capture notes, ideas, and drawings digitally. We have seen some of these in the past where you draw with a real pen on a real piece of paper that transmits to some sort of application. This one doesn't seem to be using a real pen, it's using a digital pen. Is this running Wacom? Is it just transmitting with some proprietary software? We don't know, so let's crack it open. This came today in the exact same box a return came in, so I opened the return first and I said, oh, this next box must be a return. It wasn't. This was the RoWrite 2. And it says the phone, tablet, and laptop are not included. Oh, dang it. I thought I was going to get everything. All right, here we go. This is, wow, that's a really high-res image of that case. I mean, I know it wasn't the case, but I almost thought it was embossed, just like the case should be. That's pretty high quality image. This one is embossed. This one is a very kind of industry standard fake leather sleep cover. It has a little bit of flex to it. It does have a nice kind of leather feel to it. We're of course going to put this off to the side. We always put the device off to the side till the very end. We do have a pen here and it says press. Okay, do I press and it pops up? It does. Wow, that's some engineering right there. And we have a little magnet snap. That's pretty nice. Is this a ballpoint pen? It is not. Is it? There's no ink on it. Oh, okay, it is a ballpoint pen. All right, well, I guess they are using a real pen, unless this snaps off. Okay, I was incorrect. This is one of those devices that uses a real pen, and it does look like you have to charge this, or at least put batteries in it, because there is a battery thing. Please paste the pen on the magnetic strip at the top to charge. Okay, so it's wireless charging, or magnetic charging. All right, that's pretty cool. Moving on to the book itself. Oh, that's nice. That feels like one of those leather ledgers. That's pretty cool. And you do see that it has some reference points. It has all these dots on there, and that's to have the transmission reference where you are on the page, etc. That's going to be really nice to write on. I'll give you a lot of pages. Doesn't have a page number, but let's see. I don't know, that's about 10, 20, 30, it's about 40 pages, I would imagine. Have some other things in here. We do have times 5. We have replacement nibs, or I guess replacement ink pen refills. So that could be interesting. Whoa! Alright, there you go. Wow, they certainly do. I mean, it's okay. They give you the 5 full pen refills. That's pretty nice. That's pretty swanky. 5 of those with a nib removal tool. Not a nib, sorry. We're so used to saying nib because of all the styluses. A pen removal tool, tip removal tool. You have some documentation here in multiple different languages. And you have a USB, I think I saw a USB-C on the device itself. Nicely wound up USB cable. And I guess you just squeeze it out like that. It is a USB-C. We're going to keep this sealed because we very rarely use the included hardware because it's all universal. And here's the Royole RoWrite. Oh wow, they give you 2. All right, so that's a full refill book. That is an entire refill, and it says you're supposed to put the pen which way? This way to charge it. So you plug it in and then it charges itself, and yeah, that's about it. Here is the USB at the bottom and power button up top and a little status indicator light on the inside there. That's the whole thing. This is one of those devices that allow you to write in real time with real pen and paper, and it transmits to your phone via the application. So we're going to go ahead and do a full review on this when it comes time to do that after our color coverage is finalized. Stay tuned to youtube.com/goodereader, and for Good eReader, this is Peter.